In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Fort Worth. We'll walk through the official City of Fort Worth Municipal Court portal so you can take care of a traffic or parking citation quickly and securely. Start by opening the City of Fort Worth Municipal Court payments page. This is the city's own website and it's the safest place to handle your payment. Make sure you're on a secure connection, look for the city's domain, and avoid third-party sites that promise to pay on your behalf. Keeping the official page bookmarked can also save you time if you need to return later. Once you're there, choose the option to pay a traffic or non-traffic citation online. That button takes you into the city's secure payment system. You'll use the system to look up your case and complete the payment, and it accepts major credit and debit cards. Next, enter your ticket details. You can search by citation number or by case number. Type the number exactly as it appears on your ticket, and include any letters if they're shown. If the format on your ticket includes dashes or spaces, follow the website's instructions for how to enter it. Having the physical ticket handy will reduce typos and speed things up. After the system finds your record, take a moment to review it carefully. Confirm the violation type, the total fine, and the case status. Make sure the name on the case matches yours and that you recognize the details of the citation. If anything looks off, pause and double-check your ticket number before moving forward. This quick review helps prevent paying the wrong case. When everything looks right, proceed to payment. Enter your card information and billing details, and keep an eye out for any convenience fees listed by the processor. Don't refresh or close the window while it's processing. In some situations, the portal may display additional payment options, such as cash payments through approved retail partners. Select those only if that's your preference and they're available to you. Otherwise, complete the card payment as prompted. Finally, save your confirmation. Download or screenshot the receipt page and note the confirmation or authorization number. If an email receipt is offered, send it to yourself and check your spam folder just in case. Keep your proof of payment with your ticket paperwork and consider setting a reminder to verify that the payment posts to your case within the time frame shown on the site. That's it. You've paid your Fort Worth traffic ticket online using the official court portal quickly and securely. If the site gives you an error, try a different browser or device and revisit the official page to start again.